Hello, nature lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening, specifically focusing on the best flowers for small balcony gardens. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting your gardening journey, we've got 17 stunning flower varieties that will brighten up your outdoor space. First up, the vibrant marigold. Not only does it add a burst of color to your balcony garden, but it also repels unwanted pests like mosquitoes and aphids. Next, we have petunia. This hardy plant comes in a variety of colors and is incredibly easy to maintain. For something a bit more exotic, try growing tuberose. Its delicate white petals and intense fragrance will transform your balcony into a tranquil oasis. If you're looking for some privacy, consider planting hibiscus. Its large leaves provide natural screening while adding vibrant color to your garden. For those who love unique textures, the spider plant is perfect. It adds an interesting dimension to your garden with its cascading foliage. The sunflower is a classic choice for any garden, with its large yellow or orange blooms that attract butterflies and bees alike. The lush pansy adds a splash of color all year round. From deep purple to soft pinks and whites, it can brighten up any space. For something tropical, try the bird of paradise flower. Its dramatic appearance will make your balcony garden stand out. The sweet-smelling jasmine is another fantastic choice. Not only does it smell fantastic, but it also repels mosquitoes and other insects. A few roses will add a touch of romance to your garden, with their striking colors and enchanting perfume. For an extra touch of elegance, consider growing orchids. These gorgeous blooms come in many varieties and add an air of sophistication to your balcony garden. The elegant Gerbera daisy is another great choice, with its bright petals and long stems. It's perfect for adding some height in your flower beds or borders on a small balcony. Lastly, for something unique but easy to maintain, try growing snapdragon flowers. These beauties come in many colors and shapes and are very